Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use flower language. Floriography, the language of flowers, is a beautiful way to communicate feelings without words. It's an ancient art where specific blooms, their colors, and even how they are arranged carry distinct messages. Understanding these meanings allows you to express everything from deep affection to heartfelt sympathy, making your floral gifts truly personal and profound. Let's dive into this fascinating world. Let's explore some popular flower meanings. A single red rose, for instance, universally declares deep love and passion. Yellow roses, on the other hand, typically convey friendship and joy, perfect for a cheerful greeting. Lilies can express purity or devotion, while a vibrant sunflower radiates adoration and happiness. Knowing these common associations helps you choose the perfect bloom for any sentiment you wish to share. Beyond the flower type, color and arrangement play crucial roles. For example, while a red rose means love, a white rose often signifies purity or new beginnings. A single bloom can deliver a powerful, direct message, whereas a carefully composed bouquet allows for a more intricate story. Even the number of flowers can add specific layers of meaning, making your gift truly unique and thoughtful. To craft your perfect floral message, first select flowers whose meanings resonate with your intended sentiment. Always consider the recipient's personality and the specific occasion. Don't hesitate to combine different blooms and colors to weave a richer, more nuanced story. A little research into specific flower meanings ensures your heartfelt message is received exactly as you intended, making your gift truly unforgettable.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.